YouTubing is not that easy. Creating content requires a lot of hard work and effort to create good content and maintain the journey. I have created so many contents, more over 1,000 of videos, but still I am not yet monetized. In spite of creating good content, why the content is not being shown to the maximum viewers? People do not know how to use the YouTube features. Because nowadays whatever content it is coming in the home feed, people usually try to see that. So if your content is not being shown in the home feed, then why will the people see it? How many people just select the subscribers feature and then get into the channel and then you see the content? That is rarely possible. Those who know, they might, or those who have the notifications on, they can see it. But many people do not have the notifications on, because if they are subscribed to a lot of channels, why will they watch so many channels? And all the contents might not be for them. So each content have their own set of viewers and it's not for everybody. So like if you think that you are creating content, it is for everybody, it's not like that. Maybe you are passionate about, since I have a cooking channel, I can just talk about that because my experience counts in that. Suppose you are baking. A person can do everything. They can cook, they can bake, they can steam, they can saute, they can stir fry, they can do roasting. So they have multiple talents. But those who are a baker, professional baker, they will only be showing baking products. But as a home cook, you will be doing multiple things at a time and you would like to showcase all the talents. It's not that you are lack of talent, but you have too much of talent, I would rather say. But people need to see these talents. Like now suppose you are making a pickle recipe, so those who are interested will see the pickle. But if that video doesn't reach out to the ones who need to see the pickle, then it's a waste of energy. But still, I am passionate because I know how to make it. I want my viewers to know it. So you have to wait. You just upload your video and just wait when the people will watch it. And they need to click at the thumbnail. That's also very important to showcase that what your video will showcase your product. I make pickles, I make chocolates, I bake cakes, I do regular home cooking, and I have also have an exposure of professional cooking as well. And it's not necessary that everybody who is cooking will also be professionally involved in this. I don't think I'll be ever going as a professional cook. But as a home cook, whatever knowledge I have, maybe somebody can learn from me and do it professionally. That is also a possibility. So that doesn't make your talent any less. If you are passionate about creating a content, you can do it. Forget about monetization and just see that what you are delivering it, whether you are able to see it again and again. And it's just like a library. You are just creating content. You are because at a point of time you will be just getting burnt out and then you will stop doing it. Then YouTube will be earning from it, not you. I'm trying to keep going as long as possible. I will try to show whatever I want because I have in mind that yes, I want to showcase my talent to the world. Why not? And I want to have a global reach rather than a regional reach. Since whatever I am cooking is popular in the region, so why will people watch that? Somebody who doesn't know about it, it is much more beneficial to them, provided they watch the full video. So stay motivated. I also try to keep motivated. My family tries to keep me motivated since I love creating, and instead of sitting idle and spending time in gossiping and other things, I prefer to go into some creative work, and I just love it. You must have seen, if you go through my profile, you will see that it's not the regular cooking I am showing it, but apart from it, something which I created, something that came to my thought, why not we combine this and see. That is my first time experience. If I like it, I prepare it again. If not, then I'll go for something else and my brain will keep working. That helps me to revive my talents and create something new out of it. And maybe accidentally you discover some unique and good dishes. So what's your take about it? Just let me know in the comments. And I just love creating content. I think you like my videos, then do comment that how I can improve it. If somebody will say that hire a professional, but what for will I hire a professional? Because it's not that I want a million of viewers or millions of subscribers. If your one video is capable enough to have 1 million views, I will definitely get it one day. But maybe it may be 10 years, who knows? because I've been working around 5 years and still I'm struggling. After one of my shorts got viral, the views are totally down as like everybody else, and people are just talking about it, do this, do that, do that. I can do what I can, how to hook the viewers and how to do this and how to do that. So that's not helping out in any case. If your views are high, the AVP is less. If your views are less, your AVP is more than 100%. It's almost 200%, but still there is no view. So now what will you do? So the feedback from the YouTube analytics will say that you need to hook the people. The click-through rate is not good, even if it is reaching the smaller audience, but large people are not clicking on it. So now what you can do about it? I can't do anything about it, but I can create a content which is something valuable, and it's not that you are just doing a time pass or something like that, though we do time pass videos as well, because that gives us motivation and boosting, and that gives an emotional happiness in us. Behind the story, there is something that the creator can only know, because if I'm creating and adding some song to it, that is the emotion at that time or at that moment what we are using. So that's how contents are created, and just keep motivated and keep doing your work in the best way you can. Thanks a lot.